Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use this editing app called VSCO, which you can install from the App Store. And yeah, so here I'm just going to go to the app. The app looks like that. It has a white background with a logo in the middle. So here, in order to import a picture, just have to click the plus sign button on the top right corner of the screen, and it will direct you on your camera roll. You just have to choose the picture that you want to edit, and I'm going to be choosing this one. So, and you just have to click the picture and the slider button on the bottom side of the screen. It will direct you on the numerous photos that are available on the app. Some of them are free, some of them are not. Just go ahead and check the shop, um, and you can avail numbers of photos. So I'm just going to be choosing this one, and it has a slider button which you can adjust the way you want it. Just basically up to you. If you guys like however you guys want it, just go ahead and do that. And on the other button right here, it will direct you on a lot of other tools that will help you in editing your photo and enhance it and stuff. So here I'm just adjusting the exposure if you guys want to be a little more bright or dark, depends on your picture. But yeah, so in order to see the before and after, you just have to click the photo itself and it will preview your before picture. And now here I'm just adjusting the contrast. So if you want it to be a little more dramatic or like more less saturated, you can go to the negative sign or like bring it downwards. But yeah, it's really up to you guys. And then here on straighten, again, it depends on your picture. If it's not, aligned and stuff, it's not straight, you can use this tool. It will be helpful for you. And you can also rotate using this tool by clicking the button that is on the right side. And yeah, just have to click the check button if you're already okay with that. And you can also use crop. They have a lot of different sizes to choose from, different ratios. So there's 1:1, 4:5, 3:4, 3:3. A lot to choose from. It basically depends on you. So, and then once you're okay with that, I'm gonna move on to the next tool, which is XQ. It's again, it also depends on your picture. If it's kind of distorted and not straight enough, you can go ahead and use this tool. The same goes with YSQ. Just have to experiment in order to have the best results on your photo. And then we have sharpen, which if you wanted to make it look more crisp and stuff, so you can see the difference. If you want to be more clear, more detailed and stuff, you can adjust this one. This one I really like it because it makes the photo look more good quality. And then we have here is clarity. Again, it's basically same thing, kind of like um, enhancing the quality of your photo. And then we have saturation. This one you can adjust it the way you want it. If you want to be more, if you want your photo to be more vibrant and stuff, you can go ahead and slide it in the right way. But if you want it to be more, less saturated, go to the negative sign. We have highlights, one of my favorite one, because it just sets the mood in your photo. And yeah, I just like it. You can also adjust it the way you want it. So, yeah. And then next we have shadows, which accentuates the shadows on your picture. You know, the um, dark parts of your picture, it accentuates it more. And yeah, I also like this one. It also gives a, you know, a, and here we have temperature. If you go to the positive side, it will give a more warmer look, but in the negative side will give a cooler look in your photo. So again, it depends on what you want to achieve. If you want a cool looking photo, drag it down to the left. If you want a warmer look, drag it down to the right. We have tint. This one is another self, self based on your personal preference. Again, just adjust the way you want it. Next is skin tone. Again, I also like this using in portraits because it gives a different color on your skin. If you want it to be more yellowish or like reddish toned, you can adjust it using this tool, and I really like it because sometimes I look yellow in pictures, so I just have to slide it down to the reddish tone, and voila, it's amazing. Then vignette is if you want to have a dark um, sides on your pictures, you can adjust this one. You can put this one and it will give a more dramatic and cinematic look on your photo, which I also like. And then I also love this one. Another tool is grain. If you want to give a grainy looking, vintage looking photo, again, if you guys want to achieve that kind of look on your photo, you can adjust this. I also like doing this because I'm more achieving a cinematic vintage look on my photos, and yeah. Next we have is fade. This one is another tool that you can use. Again, it also depends on what kind of look you want in your photo. So yeah, I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit. We have shadows tint. Here you can, if you want to experiment and give more oomph to your picture, you can use this one. So, and you can also adjust it using the slider button if, you know, this one is also really cool. I also like using this one. And yep, that is like, again, it also depends on you because orange is more abundant in my picture. I used the orange shadow. And highlights, again, also depends on you what color you want. It's really up to you guys. Just adjusting and stuff. So yeah, I think that is it for all the tools. I've already explained each one of them. So yeah, I think that is it. Yep. Here you can see the before and after um, photo. Just have to click the photo itself and it will preview your picture. And then you can go ahead and save it, export it, and save to your camera roll. And there you have a lot of options to choose from. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you learned something in this tutorial video, and I'm gonna be seeing you on the next one. Here's the final picture. Thank you so much guys for watching, and yeah, bye.